Drumsticks, or moringa, is a delicious and nutritious superfood in the world. Drumstick cultivation is the best business for farmers because it is an easy and more profitable business with less labor and cost. Drumstick farming has been economically more profitable for a long time because once you start cultivating it, you will get drumsticks for many years. Today in this video, we will try to explain the method of ODC-3 variety drumstick cultivation and its advantages and disadvantages. ODC-3 Drumstick is a pure line selection developed by continuous selling for 6 generations with the Indian Tamil Nadu local variety. ODC-3 types of drumstick flowers and fruits are available all year round. ODC-3 comes to flowering within 3 to 4 months of sowing and comes to harvest in 6 months. Moreover, requires less water and fertilizer. ODC-3 drumstick fruits are fleshy and tasty. ODC-3 drumstick flowers remain in clusters of 50 to 200 clusters. Only one pod develops usually, and rarely 3 to 5 develop per cluster. The pods are 2 feet to 2.5 feet long with a girth of 2.5 inches and weigh 70 to 80 grams with 80% flesh. The average yield of the variety is 300 fruits per tree. The estimated yield is around 25 to 30 tons per acre per year. ODC-3 drumstick is a fast-growing, drought-resistant tree. A hot and humid climate is suitable for growth and a dry climate is for flowering. A temperature of 25 to 30 degrees Celsius is suitable for flowering a drumstick. It cannot withstand prolonged waterlogging. ODC-3 drumstick can be grown in a variety of soils, but loamy, sandy loam soils are better suited. Sandy soils and also dry conditions are fine. Soil pH should be 6.2 to 7. Land preparation is basic for ODC-3 drumstick plantations. There is no need for raised beds or the use of excessive fertilizers or manure if you are planting drumstick. For direct sowing or replanting of the plants, a handful of cow manure per pit is all that is required unless it is clay soil where 4 to 5 kilos of compost mixed with the soil will help condition the soil for better growth of plants. The field should be flattened and there should be no water stagnation. Drainage areas should be provided and, if possible, canals on the side should be provided for better drainage during monsoon. Planting of saplings should be done after 1 month from germination. ODC-3 drumstick plants should not be in pots or plastic bags for over a month as the roots will be restrained and growth will be restricted. Propagation of ODC-3 drumstick in commercial cultivation is done through seeds. For commercial crops such as vegetables, ODC-3 drumstick varieties, spacing and density of a plantation 5 to 7 feet are recommended for which are perennial and last 10 to 15 years. Approximately 1,200 plants can be accommodated per acre. Irrigation is recommended post-flowering when the fruit set is in process. Drip pipes should be set up. Apart from the fruiting season, there is no need for irrigation at all for drumstick crops. ODC-3 drumstick does not require a lot of fertilizers. Basic nutrients are just about enough for its survival. The application of fertilizers could be beneficial to increase the weight of the pods or foliage when necessary. Usually, an application of 50 kg urea, 50 kg potash, and 50 kg phosphorus is all that's needed per hectare for good growth of drumstick plants. The pruning of drumstick trees is found to be highly beneficial. Pruning increases the number of stems, reduces the overall height of the tree, and keeps a good shape too. The first pruning is done when the plant is approximately 3 feet. From then on, pruning of stems should be done every 3 months till flowering. Once flowering starts, do not prune the plant. Hard pruning will be beneficial pre-monsoon. Hairy caterpillars are one of the most common pests in drumstick plants. The application of carbaryl or FORS in the right proportion should keep control of these pests. Also, light traps right after monsoon could prevent the infestation of these worms. ODC-3 drumstick is a fairly immune plant to most diseases, but there are times when moringa is affected, especially due to seasonal changes. 12 notable diseases are found in moringa, including canker, root rot, and leaf spots, among others. If all these diseases occur, action should be taken with the advice of the agricultural officer.